Check the words and the rhythm. I spit the words and a word in my vision. These kids came down to the working it off for the last slide. Check they were all chilling. Come against this half-hearted villain. I need 6 holes in your face like quitting. I'm 5'8", I'm short as fate, but I got to look from the floor to the ceiling. And they won't come true, but I'm everything. He claims I'm shit, but it's anything. He can be thin or curved, he can be white or black. I'll bury him. We get checked out, librarian, hot sauce, orders of everything. You go.
Yo, check that librarian.
I hit the road, they come to my drum, more hype to my bone. Swear down, stop a man on my doorway. Line them up nice, sit in the rollway. Wait man, I don't roll with a bag of guys, roll in a view. And I pack like a bag of fries, chat big guns in the rhyme. Bag of lights, man, roll with tracks not summarized. Like Ryan and shit gets critical, man get ring down just like mineral. Let me break it down like a syllable. If it's beef, watch when I see him in the visible. Shit get hectic, shit get physical. Guarantee it won't be lyrical. When we get to the arms and I reach for the palms, we will get left invisible.
So equipment that I require, I use my voice for the fire. You man, I so all night, I'm so old 10. Yeah, all day, so I say you inspire. I don't trust these girls, half of them tell their tales, so I call them a liar. She was so damn obsessed with a rock, so I saw why I renamed them Mariah. To be honest, I couldn't really carry. It's all air to me. Can't think I won't back down, that's why the veterans fear me. I think I'm the best 15-year-old, no, again, I say shit clearly. I got more than 2 grand, but I once think I was in a set, but I was never talking about 2 9.
The king of the great please keep it the throne. You should see how many lyrics I own. You'll see my contacts iPhone, but only if you I won't. Some with some have their own home, some independent, some are alone. But if you don't know me, I don't wanna phone me, then I don't. I'm a Jerome. Stuck in the 90s, still when I block, still chasing the 90s. Fresh start, still rocking the 90s. Still when I go, still move like fighters. Might have a few links, still have wifey. Still makes more hits, never had whiteys. Fast and get MCs with the try sound like East and have your all day dynamite.
You be dumb, she must be, she's overly hot. Lies where no, she's totally not. On your digits, totally not. Drive past feeling, totally not. Take home t-shirt, totally not. Back entrance, insert, totally not. Going home with a heat, totally not. Go base pop for the pipeline. It's like you burn hostage movements. We busting, you make no movements. When you match on the floor movements, saying you're in a hostage movement. Someone said watch these movements, not on the block like sniping movements. Don't go outside like rapid movements. Quick reload, could you like this movement?
I the type of guy to be chicken, don't disrespect when I'm running in the living. Each other prep for some in the piss when I'm sitting. Ever since my father went prison, I can't seem to make that final decision. Everybody's like, come off the road, but I can't seem to bring my ears down to listen. Grinding so I'm good with the AC, ball stop spitting to the DJs, play me. But even if you pay me, a chick won't wine in my house like Amy. I could be the best in the grind scene, the fact is I'm far too lazy. I'm on big stuff, money, so I won't have to worry for the price like Katie.
Fantastic, bombastic, cheeky and sarcastic, jelly like elastic. Yo, yo, listen. Grimtastic, bombastic, cheeky and sarcastic. Now you get straight just like elastic. Don't piss your wife, yeah, I lashed it. You got a matchstick, you caught herpes, I didn't catch it. But too quick, I already matched it. Yo, yeah, listen. Yo. Okay, crazy. Yo. Yo. Let me drop it 8 and pass. Okay.
Alright, yeah. All-Star Recording Show.
Yeah.
John Coleman, all the cat back there, you get me? Yeah. Yo.
Man's overly high. Man overly fly. Sky with the birds, man's overly fly. Swag content, you're overly high, you're overly dry. Practicing it. Yo. Okay, new bars, go to. Yo, listen.
Yo, it's not the weight but the size of the pit bull. Coming in your locks, it won't be simple. I'm zooming up in the game like say I was 1.5 megapixels. Look, I ain't a fool, so I hit school. I drop bombs from London to Bristol. I'm in a different galaxy. You would have thought I was eating a minstrel. Stick to my own plan, roll with the freeless guys on my own fam. So my mum's all getting me mad, so she wants to send me back to my homeland. But I'm still out for the hard though. I got guys from Kilburn to Plasto. You would have war my Gaza, like say I was enemies of Movado.
You didn't go man for you shooting me. You should get a bang, no you shooting me. You shooting for man for you shooting me. Taking pictures with you shooting me. It's fire and high, you shooting me. Fire in the night, that's you shooting me. I made more in the night than you made in your mixtape. Oh, yes, I'm in your careers like right now. Spread the most 5 years ago right now. Don't repeat balls on microphone right now. Jump for the car, leave with your chick right now. Back to the car, back it right now. I give the girl right now, foot punch over, gonna get right now. She gets out of breath and just lies down.
Out for the lump sums, transactions equals lump sums. You want to make the road to 2 bay, different to up and down Houston Junction. Me and my girl roll back by the sweet chop. I dream about money, I'm trying to see go. Man to the bottom to that chick. Then you got chicks saying he's hot and he's not. Talking the town like swine flu, and you wanna know who's hot, it's in my crew. You like my face, take a side view. You know what I like you, 079 you. Be in your case if you wanna date me, 078 me. Young but 80 hits just early. Kick out safely, things off safely.
See the names renegade, better notice. I was born in the strip with the soldiers. Might have a little facial hair, but I'm a young one, I was raised for the oldest. Look on the target, better focus. Your girl came back for the extra, so no doubt that I gave for the bonus. And I ended the beat with something I'm holding. But hold this, I'm rude, my attitude sticks. It's on this old thing, I'm a smart kid, so I know shit. I ain't not a light scorcher, I ain't on this lips in thing. I'd rather open the legs and then I'll flick it in. It's over, I'm daggering the bitch, it's over, she won't come back, that's it.
Score is 2 grams, she's got the summer collection, got new brands. Certain MCs are pissed, been spitting 4 years, but I got on my space with a few fans. Get your mouth closed, get open like you can. See your names, what you do with a few grams. Whole way, break it down in a few grams. Then used to be big bits to the few mans. Try to hit blocks, then lick shots. Grind hard, yeah, I like Rick Ross. Summertime, summer grind, hit the strip, shorts, socks, flip flops. Check the fly space, know that your shit flops. Fussy haters, hope that my shit stops. Every time I hear my voice, on you're pissed off. Plus someone else got my wrist off.
Victor, please don't put it out there. Fight still cinch, can't bustle like that. You ain't getting mine, put your bug in that dirt. Red H-Chain, call something like that. You're not TK, stop singing like that. It's not EA, stop playing like that. Hit me a 30, get drunk like that. You read your balls on your phone, your swag. They're trying to boss you, bro. You said, well, you're best with a phone, you bro. Like, where's your intro postcode, bro? Sat down, phone, speed, photo, bro. Be holding your head, need help up, bro. Hit man for the back, no homo, bro. Your band and that's what don't sober, bro.
See me cause I don't respect you grind, cause I've been in the scene since before 05. Everybody's like old 9's over mine. Optimus but never hit their prime. Personally, I think the scene's all dry, cause everybody thinks they're the best alright. It never used to be this back in the day, used to be pure bars, now the scene's all alive. See, nobody respects music, but they don't respect it no more. See, the rate for the bars is so poor. The wardrobe she stole, I'm so raw. I can't roll with the strap, that's my law. Fuck it, I'm rolling with the 3-4. My head's overly gas, this cap, but we can bring it back to the road, it's so raw.
Overly hot, overly not. Beef for the block, man holding the block. I don't really worry about I'm scoping the watch. If it gets on top, man holding the shots. He's 6 and 8, man roll with the blocks. My little creatures are open the locks. Couple niggas on loose for the belly, so all you gotta do is show them the spots. Man overly fly, sky with the birds, man overly fly. Swag content, you're overly high, you're overly dry. Tried to sell it 0.10 to me, so I brought that back, it was overly dry. Lost in the back, I had cables, then I got a fly back. So like, older and like, if you wanna contact me, 079.
Do that though, Chew was a big song of me though. You know you're part in the rumors though. He don't want you but you're using though. I reject it but you're still clean on though. Come across through your banging though. Yo, let me go with that one again, yo. Who do you think you are gonna do well? Chew was a big song, never make dough. You know you're starting the rumors though. He don't want you but you use him though. But reject it but you're still clean on though. Come across through your banging though. You're rubbish on tunes, I'm catching in junk. You're sniffing in junk like passing smoke. What do you mean you don't have that again? I'm fucking like getting slammed back again. Spitting the door, sing world again. Got slammed when you're off, your chain back again. Wanna talk up loud and you way back again. DJs who buying the same man again. That's why grinding moving. Go.
When it comes to warring,
It's nothing.
See they cannot shake. I write you for the talk of the town, bar for the games for the talk of the UK. Been fathering from a long time, never got strong grind. They can say that I don't play. You could bring your whole team for the water, bring fire straight, put it up, then spray. I'm a professor, the way I got checked back in the night, you would've thought I was a professor. The mixing needs a definite go, girl. It's a banger, I give you a definite. From down from the all-star resident, back in my voice and a bit to the end of it. Not one way, my team, I won't back if a man, I'm fucked in my fist, I'm sensitive.
We've been this from ages. Look for the lyric box, spin their pages. Man got bars like I'm locked in cages. Limits of island, on these stages. Man go with TV, think that they're famous. Glory hunt is only there with the famous. All of these artists, that's what the aim is. Half of these artists don't know where the game is. I know where the game is, go for the game. Who's gonna watch you? I'm gone for the chain, I'm from with terrain. Jokes with me, I'm back to the crib. All my days, we're off with the brain, we're off with the game. Too sharp, too hot for my name, too hot for the rain. All night, new shit, ayy. When it go too hot for the game.
Part of a beast, I'm patrolling the roads. When I stand in my own, surrounded by beats, it's cold and the roads and I roll in the road, no joke. I got time to lie with the streets, but I'm part for the scene. Don't get tall, but I got the flow. So I up the scene, I'm determined, the chosen one. They've been serving, rise up soon to